Hello, students. Welcome to Lesson 6, writing expressions where letters stand for numbers. We're going to use expressions with variables to describe certain situations. Our learning targets for today are: I can use an expression that represents a situation to find an amount in a story. I can write an expression with a variable to represent a calculation where I do not know one of the numbers. And we start today's lesson with an algebra talk. So in the first section here, 6.1, we are going to simply make a substitution for 6 wherever x is. So in the first problem, as you can see here, we're going to substitute 6 where x is. Same with the second, third, and fourth problems. I'm going to pause, and I suggest that you pause as well in order to do that now, and then we'll go over the answers together. So the first one is 6 plus 4 is 10. Second one is 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. The third one, x squared, of course, x squared is when you take 6 and square it. So 6 squared is equal to 6 times 6, which is 36. And then the last one is 1/3 times x, which, as you probably know, is 1/3 times 6 over 1, which is 6/3, which is better known as 2. Hopefully you did well in that section, boys and girls. And if not, again, you can chat with me about anything you don't understand through Google Hangouts or shoot me an email. So the next part is lemonade sales and heights. So let's read through it. And actually, we're going to read through, lemonade sales and heights. Read through it, and it says this. Lynn set up a lemonade stand. She sells the lemonade for 50 cents a cup. Complete the table to show how much money she would collect if she sold each number of cups. So 50 cents per cup. In the first column here, we have 12 cups. So naturally, 12 times 50 cents would be $6. And then in the next case, she has 183. So 183 cups at 50 cents a cup. Well, it's for every 2 cups, it's $1, correct? So that means 180 would be 90. And an additional 3 cups would be $1.50. So I come up with 91.50. And of course, for C cups, it would simply be C times 50 cents. C times 50 cents. Excuse the writing on that, boys and girls. My penmanship will get better on this appliance over time. Okay. And now on to number 2. Elena is 59 inches tall. Elena is 59 inches tall. Some other people are taller than Elena. Complete the table to show the height of each person. So remember, Elena is 59 inches tall, and Andre is 4 inches taller than that. Therefore, it would be 59 plus 4. Lynn is 6.5 inches taller than that, so it would be 59 plus 6.5. And Noah is D inches taller than that, so it would be 59 plus D. And all we're doing there, boys and girls, is we're using a variable where we typically would use a number. But in this particular case, we just don't know what Noah's height is. Okay. The next section is called building expressions. So Claire is 5 years older than her cousin. How old would Claire be if her cousin is? And then it gives you 3 different options. What I'd like you to do is trying to work with your cluster groups through Google Hangouts or Google Docs or one of those, any one of those. Try to work with somebody to do numbers 1 through 4. Okay, 1 through 4. Try to do those with someone. And again, any work, please complete in your math notebook and or remote folder, and do that. If you have no one to do it with, just do the best you can, boys and girls. And then after you have completed that, I will post answers for that. But after you've completed that, please read through the lesson summary very carefully, and then go ahead and give the practice problems 1 through 4 a try. And again, I will post a answer key and or a video on the answers for 1 through 4. And then, as usual, please complete an exit slip once you've done all that for lesson 6, and that I will comment back to you. And remember, many of you do very well on the exit slips. If there's no corrections, I'm just sending you a comment. No need to do anything after that. Once you submit it to me, it counts as a submission. If I'm asking you to make corrections or I'm just pointing something out, please make the corrections and send it back to me. And I'm likely to send it back to you again. You don't have to send it back to me a third time. Once you submit it once, it shows up as a submission and you get credit for it. All right. If you have any questions, by all means, send me an email or Google Hangouts. Yesterday, I uploaded a link for a video, not a video, a step-by-step approach to use Google Hangouts, so you should be all set there. Have a wonderful day, and please stay safe.